Hello ValPals and welcome back to the channel. Today I wanted to take what I learned from the Glow Recipe Masterclass that I did online and put it into action. So I've got my special guest, my boyfriend here. First things first, this is all like skincare. So we need a cleansed face. For the sake of the video, we're just gonna use makeup wipes, but from what I learned in the masterclass, in the morning you typically want to use like a gentle cleanser, and then at night double cleanse, which is using an oil-based cleanser right before another cleanser. Are you scared? So after cleansing, step one is using a toner. This is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow BHA PHA Pore Tightening Toner. And the way we apply this is actually with our hands. I used to use cotton wipes before I took this masterclass, and I did wash my hands, so you're safe. And I am going to dab this into your skin so that it absorbs better. I guess they were talking about how dabbing helps the skin absorb things better. It's like all dripping down my hands. How's that feel?
Feels great.
It's like mini slaps all around your face. I'm trying to like wait until I feel like it's a little dry. This is very watermelon minty smelling. After toner, if you apply any eye creams, now is the time that you would put them on. I'm actually like almost out of my eye creams, so I'm using this little sample that I got. It's the Glow Recipe Guava Vitamin C Bright Eye Gel Cream. It's brightening and depuffing. We're gonna take some, put under your eyes and close. This was like kind of a lot. Keep your eyes closed. Because I have long nails. We use the one thumb that like doesn't have a nail on because it fell off. Beautiful. We're gonna let that set for a little bit, and the next step is serums. So I have a plethora of serums here, but I think today for his skin, I'm just gonna stick with one. So you can typically layer serums by how heavy their ingredient load is. So like for me in the morning, I use this niacinamide dewdrops, and then I use a, what is it called? Salicylic acid serum on top of it, just for like my blackheads. He has pretty clear skin as it is, so I'm just gonna go light for his skin. My skin always needs the extra help. Like one pump of this, and we're gonna do the same technique. Dabbing it all over. And the nice thing about the niacinamide is it's very like anti-aging. That's why I use it. Although he's a youngin', he's younger than me. After serums have been applied, we're gonna go in with some moisturizer. With Glow Recipe, we have a lighter moisturizer and we have a heavier moisturizer. The lighter one is the Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer, and the heavier one is the Glow Recipe Plum Plump Hyaluronic Acid Cream. And I was informed through the masterclass that they do put hyaluronic acid in like all of their products anyways. So each product that you're using is very like compatible together. And I mean, your skin doesn't seem dry at all, so I'm gonna use the lighter one. I know they were talking about how you can use the heavier one like at night before you go to sleep. Your skin's gonna absorb a lot of the creams. A lot. No, it's not. Although your skin is actually not as dry as mine gets, so maybe I did put a little bit much. Look at that glow. The last thing I want to finish off the skincare with is sunscreen. You should be wearing this baby every day. What? No. You should be wearing this every day.
For darker fellows like myself, we don't need sunscreen.
No, you still need sunscreen because you will age so badly. I mean, you're Asian, you got good genetics, but still. I apply it down with the lining of your hair growth because us ladies, we're gonna apply makeup afterwards. And I find that when you apply like sunscreens, primers with your hair growth, it makes the makeup not cakey. I'm gonna just like blend this in a little bit more for you. But yeah, we're preventing skin cancer over here. We're preventing the aging. Okay. That was the last step of this routine from the masterclass. How does your face feel?
Feels like it's got stuff on it.
Yeah? Does it feel refreshing?
Yes, it was very refreshing.
Good.
Especially the watermelon stuff. That stuff felt good.
I know, that's a really good toner. I want to try more of that, and then I think I'm going to get more of the salicylic acid serum for myself. But what I just did on him is what I do literally every single day. My skin's not like perfect. I just genetically get a lot of acne, but like it's been very much under control since I got older. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this little skincare training. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you next week.